Hey everyone, it's Jasmine here today with Butters and Creams. And today we're going to be making my Mermaid Silk Irish Sea Moss body lotion. So I call it a cream, it's a lotion, they're interchangeable. Basically, this is a body cream made with sea moss. I decided to use this specific recipe highlighting these ingredients because it's super nourishing for the body, and we know that sea moss is very healthy for the hair and the skin. So your sea moss should come dried, and it usually has things like from the sea on it. So you'll see right here that I'm soaking it and putting it through a rinse cycle. I do a few rinse cycles with water to get all that murkiness out of there. And once all that's done, I like to add water. And for this specific formula, I really like to add herbs. You can add them if you want to or not. It's totally up to you. You can choose your own herbal blend. I've found that it's really good for taking away any of the extra sea smell, and it helps to give you those values of the herbs. It's a very good way of infusing them because of the fact that you're using water, so you're getting a good extract there. So what I did was, or what you're going to see me do here, is strain out the herbs because you really don't want any extra pulp in here. So you want to get all that out. So I'm keeping the water because that's tea. It has the value of the herbs. It's really good. I add some more distilled water to fill it out. And then I also went ahead and just got all the herbs out of the sea moss there. So now I'm going to add it into the blender along with the extra water, and are going to blend it on high up until it gets to a really kind of thicker type of texture. It takes a minute. And then I'm adding honey so that it can mix thoroughly because this is our humectant. You can also do vegetable glycerin. So now that we have our sea moss made, I'm adding in the butters and oils. I like to choose really emollient type of oils. So you have shea butter, you have beeswax. These two are very considered as healing whenever it comes to DIYs and skincare. And I'm using Olive M1000, which is an emulsifier, and this is going to combine our oils and our water so they do not separate. It is necessary for this formula. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and prepare our water phase. So basically you just add the distilled water and the gel together. I chose Olive M1000 because it's going to be a more natural type of emulsifier, but here you see me using Germall Plus. That's not as natural, and the reason being is because since we're using the pulp from the sea moss, it needs to be well preserved, and this is beyond just putting in the fridge. Germall Plus is a very reliable, stable, pretty handy type of not emulsifier but a preservative, so it really doesn't change any of the properties. You could do Optifin, but Optifin may loosen up your emulsion a bit. So as you can see, the bubbles will come out as it starts to get thicker, and then you can kind of just let it sit, pat it out, and just mix it around gently. And this is the kind of bottle that I put it in, simple flip cap. This can be put in a pump bottle or any type of bottle that you guys want. And then I'm going to try it on the skin here. It's super hydrating, you guys. This makes the skin feel nourished all day long. It's not sticky. It really gives the skin a nice and silky type of texture. You could always thicken this up by adding more shea in place of the castor oil. And it could be thicker and almost look more whipped depending on how you balance out the oils. But I love this formula because it's super nourishing. This also does make a suitable hair type of cream. So you can take it, use whatever herbs that you want as you please. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and let me know how you like it in the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.